Hey, Kjell in Denmark. Today I've been working a little on my table saw, and you can see, you can get a link down in the comments. And what I've been working on is this arrangements to raise the saw blade up and down. Now it's upside down. The table is upside down, so. But let's see how it works. Last time I had to weld this piece of square iron to the bottom here. And now I've done the grooves and this arrangement here. So if I loosen this, I can it's not much, it's moving. That's because the saw blade is hitting the table here. But it works fine, and when it's placed the right way, upside down from here, it's easy to reach over here and loosen and make an adjustment on the saw blade. Let's see how it's running. I'm afraid that maybe this motor isn't big enough, or I should, can you see that? Yeah. I should reverse these two, but unfortunately there's a different inside diameter, so I have to make two new ones. In my last video I talked about this motor picked from an old Hewlett-Packard disc, and I said it was a Hewlett-Packard motor. It isn't. It is Robbins and Myers from Indianapolis, I think it is. No, Gallipolis, Ohio. 240 volts three-phase motor, 2,850 revolutions per minute, and it's quarter of a horsepower. But let's see how it's working. Now I've turned it upside down and raised the saw blade a little. I think it needs to be sharpened a little. And let's try start the motor. It had to be shimmed a little. I'll do that with that arrangement where I raise the blade. A little shim inside there can move the blade over here. But let's see how it works. I made a dig here for this aluminum plate. Let's see how it needs to be. That blade needs to be sharpened, I can see. And the motor maybe isn't powerful enough. In the first place I'll try to switch the two pulleys and see how how it works then. So far so good, or bad. I'll come back when I have some new pulleys made.